Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, The Smokin Beard. Today we are going to be smoking some potatoes. The ingredients that you're going to need in order to smoke your potatoes. You just need a bag of potatoes. Some people use baking potatoes, right? Same thing, they're a little bit bigger. This is all I could find right now, so I'm going to use these type of potatoes. You need some salt, and you need some extra virgin olive oil, and the other ingredient you're going to need is some black pepper. So this is what you're going to need. The first thing you want to do is you want to get the potatoes you're going to use, get them out of the bag and give them a good rinse. Once you rinse them, the next thing you want to do is you want to kind of pat them dry, just to, all you were doing in that section was, or that part was just kind of knocking some of the dirt off of these things. So using a fork or any type of sharp object here, you want to poke some holes all around the potato, and you just kind of at random. Alright, so now you have your potatoes. They've been washed. They've been, I guess you would call these tenderized, right? The next step in the process is to add a little bit of this extra virgin olive oil. Now the reason you add this is so that it kind of keeps the moisture. It doesn't dry out your potatoes while you're smoking. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to take these out so that I know which ones I've done. Just open this can of, well, this bottle. There it is. We'll start off with this little one. And all you're doing is you're smothering it, giving it a light coat. Alright, so the last step in the process is to kind of coat your potatoes with salt and pepper if you want. You don't have to. If you want, you can. The reason that I'm going to do it is because I like to eat the skin. Supposedly the skin has a lot of nutrients in it. A lot of people throw it away. I like to eat it, so either if I'm doing mashed potatoes or I'm doing baked potatoes, I will end up eating the skin as well. So it gives it a little bit of a flavor. I don't use that extra coarse salt. I just think it has too much salt. So what I do is I just use regular table salt. You just want to lightly coat your potatoes with it, and the actual oil is going to help keep those little salt grains in there on the actual potato itself. I'm just going to use a little bit of pepper. It's not a lot, guys, just a taste. Just a taste. Once your potatoes come out, you can add more if you want on the inside, but this is just to give a little bit of a coating over your potatoes as they're smoking. All right, but that's it. That's really all you need to do in preparation. The next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to go outside and put in our smoker, and I'll give you the information on that. So just stay with me. Okay, guys. So the next step in this process is actually getting your potatoes into your smoker, getting it ready to go. Your smoker is a typical setup of your smoker. What I did is I set it up at 220 here as my temp. 220. I'm going to leave them in here for about 2 hours. So you have your water pan down there. You have your either your cold smoker attachment, well, as you can see is, you know, going strong over there. Look at all that smoke. So we have my cold smoker attachment. We have the 220 up here, about 2 hours. And then after about 2 hours, we're going to come and pull them out and then enjoy them. So these potatoes have been smoking for the last 2 hours. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to open it up to show you guys what they should look like towards the end of your smoke. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Clean that off. Pull these out. Alright, so that's what your smoked potatoes should look like. So at this point, it's really up to you. The way you check here is you want to check for tenderness. You get a fork and you just push it in. It's nice and soft. That means it's ready to go. Even the skin is starting to come off right there. Okay. So at this point, you have a couple of options. You can just eat them the way they are. You can make a baked potato out of this, a baked potato style. You can put you can put some butter, some cheese, and some sour cream on it and go to town on it, some bacon bits or some bacon. Or you can simply mash them up, a little bit of milk, a little bit of butter, some pepper and salt, and you can have some mashed potatoes. But that's how you do your smoked potatoes in your Masterbuilt electric smoker. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I do have a lot of other videos out there, from briskets to pulled pork to anything dealing with smokers. So if you do want to go ahead and subscribe, like and subscribe, and please comment or let me know what else you guys would like to see on my videos. But once again, this has been the Smokin Beard, showing you guys how to smoke some potatoes in your Masterbuilt electric smoker. Happy smoking!